Hi everyone. In this episode, we're going to focus on command control and we're going to make things a little bit easier for yourself. Let's get started. First of all, we're going to look at graphs. And as you can see, look at our Wi-Fi graph. It's very detailed. It has a lot of information and you can decide, say you weren't interested in gateway legacy or just wanted to, make things a little bit busy. You could just remove. Let's say we're not too interested in the IP address either. I've just taken away some of the details so it makes it a little bit easier to view. And with the Ethernet and the Wi-Fi, you can simplify the graphs and take away whatever or add whatever metrics you want. And it just gives you a more simplified view and makes it easier to utilize for diagnostics, etc. One of the other things is command control runs via an agent. Sometimes there may be an issue with that agent. So if you click on diagnostics, and what we can do is we haven't got any logs. So what we can do is we go into archive now. And what that will do, that has collected all the logs for this particular machine. And the great thing is now they are zipped. What we can do is we can download them. You can see I've got a zip file containing all of my log files. And if I double click it, I've got the agent log, got the update log, health monitor metrics, request log. So I've got all the logs and that can just help if you've ever any issues with a particular machine and the agent on that machine. So that was just some very quick tips and tricks. And just one more thing, you can set the debug mode. You may want to put the machine into debug if you are having problems with an agent, and we allow you to set the duration for that. The longer you set it, the bigger the log file, but we can set it for 5 minutes or up to 30 minutes. Those are just a few quick tips and tricks to hopefully make the administration of your command control environment a lot easier. Thanks very much for watching.